Welcome to another episode on my riding a robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux. Last few episodes I have tried to get OpenCV, Open Computer Vision, running on the community firmware. And that doesn't go as smoothly as I hoped. Now I have two robots using this type of controller, so I can test both. And what I found out is that the problem may not be with get camera frame, but more with joint pick. And here so far I printed out none or whatever. Now a better idea is to print out a picture. That is, not that there is not none, but the actual picture. Because a picture is actually made, rephrase, a picture is actually a matrix of numbers. Black and white matrix has numbers of 0 and gray values, and when you use colors you have actually three-dimensional matrix, but that goes beyond this topic at this moment. First of all, I want to see if this is indeed a nice matrix, and then see whatever happens when I do the joint picture. And then see how OpenCV responds. So save this. Then I have to take care that I run Python 3, not Python 2.7. So here we go. Now the probes are attached and should show some, not this, but some actual pulse width modulation, as this indicates. So here goes. And yes, it takes a bit of time. Camera is connected, very good. And yes, this is exactly what I hoped for, a very nice matrix of numbers. This is what the picture actually is. Then the file name, which is exactly what I expect. And then here the mystery comes. Why is this suddenly an integer and not a picture or a string instance? And then I'm talking about this one, because with this it always worked before. And then the question is also is this wrong or is this wrong? I can't tell right now. Line 33. Well, line 33 is this line, and here it expects a string, and of a file name for writing as F, and then file, write and then join pick. How come this is suddenly wrong? Do I have to change this into single quotes? Let's just try. You never know. Here goes again. Not connected. That's not what I want to see. Now it's connected. There we go. A massive diversion. But I don't care for the diversion right now. What I do care for, or about, and this has strong time base, I think. I'm quite sure of it, by the way. But here is something strange and I need to find out. Why has it stopped working? And then, time for a difference. I looked at the GitHub for FTRobopy, found a demo for getting camera frames, and found some code I had never seen before. Instead of this, now byte array is used. And yes, this is a byte, and this is an array. So apparently they use now byte array. Is that a solution? Let's see. Is it or isn't it? I am very curious now. Write argument must be string, not byte array. Oh, alright. Then let's start the browser. Go to FTRobopy on GitHub. Yes. And examples and camera demo, and here we see, well, this is the same thing I use. Alright, let's go into this. Is the same thing. Pick is TXT get camera frame. What do we see here? Pick TXT, well, that is the same thing. Then open something. Well, that something for me is a file name that I have made before. Because here I create file name is txt image etc. With which I put the date, hour, minute and second. Nothing wrong there. Then I say write open file name. Write SF. Is that the same? Yes. Colon fwrite. So, what is the difference? What is the difference? Except that I use file name here. And it expects a string, not a byte array. Let's see. Byte array pick. Yeah. Well, right now I'm doing exactly that. is the difference? Right? It says that the argument for write must be a string. So, what about following the exact sample? And, no, not the I say, oh, this I have to be careful, because this says WB in quotes. So now I have changed it as WB in quotes. Right, let's see what happens. Connection to TXT aborted. That's not what I want. Ah, see, that was the big point. The B says byte array. Index 100 is out of bounds. Oh, wait. This is OpenCV. Now I can do something different, because I open a new window. I find for text image for today, which is 13. Yes. Then using ImageMagick command display, and then 13. What is being displayed? Exactly this. So that's the first problem solved. But now I am only in a position that I have recorded and stored the image that is being taken. Now another point is, of course, I am making here a gray image. I want to do a red image. My image is here just this, and it says index 100 is out of bounds. That's next. Now, apart from the red being out of bounds for axis 2 with size 3, I can for now say, alright, I skip the red filtering, but I create a gray image, which is perfectly OpenCV. Now, here I have created a file name gray, TXT gray, and here I added the byte. So now this is going to be, should be totally perfect. And I'm copying it, and then I should be having two images, one color, one black and white. So let's just do that, and let's remove all the previous images. Alright, do I have another TXT image? Nothing. Alright, that's good. So, go. Does it connect or not? Not connected. Alright, interrupt manually. Right, now I expect to do a password. Yes. Yes. And another one. And this is for the gray one. Well, that is a wrong time base, but I'm interested anyway for, alright. Now let's see here. Yes, TXT and TXT gray. So I say display TXT image, which is this one. Oh wait, I should have done it more practically with an ampersand, like this. And now TXT gray with an ampersand. Ooh. Where's the gray? I didn't expect this to happen. Where is the gray? What did I do wrong? Gray image. So here I say this is picture, image, or am I doing, wait, I know what I did wrong. Yep, I know what I did add except that is, I think I know. I need to say gray image instead of pic. Yep, I think that's the problem. So gray image. I do think so. Right, let's scrap these two. Remove them. Alright. And say once again, because this is picture, image reads the file name, and with the file name it goes further. So image is being read by CVT color, being stored in the variable gray image, and that means that I should be doing something with gray image. Now let's see if that works. Aborted. Okay, then I abort. Right. Now this is the original image, and this is or should be the gray image. Okay, quit. Yes. Now I should have two images. I said, oh, yeah, well there are two images anyway, those. So I say display image ampersand 1 and display TXT gray ampersand enter. No, I'm still doing something wrong. Oops. Okay, a few small experiments later, I experienced a problem with CVT color, but then I noticed that I also had printed a wrong name in an effort to do the same as I did here with print pic. Now I got also the error that the gray file is not a JPEG file, which I find odd. So let me remove all the TXT files, and let me remove here all the TXT files. Just a fresh start. Oh, it may be worthwhile looking at the sizes here. Yeah, they are the same. Alright, so no point in keeping them. So let's run it. That is, if it allows. Nope. Abortion. Now it works. Why does it always work in the second round? That is 1, 2. Ah! I get it. Premature end of JPEG file. I didn't notice that previously. Really? Ah, this is bad. How come it isn't? Yeah, how come this happens? I have no idea. This is, wait, let's first check on the TXT files. Yeah. Now, the first one, yeah, the first one, 2, is a normal file. So, let's run this one. 2 %, that's this one. Now I suspect that this one then is wrong. Yep. Somehow this happens, and why is that happening anyway? Time to find out. Right, I changed the code a little bit. So after creating an image, I say print image and then 1 second delay. Then I print the image on screen. Then I create a gray image, print gray image, 1 second delay, and then I print the gray image. Let's go here. So this is the image. TXT image is written image, which is here. Then the image is being printed, and see all these nice rows being printed in 3D because it's color. Now it says gray image, and after a second sleep it says, alright, this is the image, and you can clearly see the difference, or should be seeing the difference. It is just one, it is a two-dimensional array instead of 3 dimensions. This three brackets, three-dimensional array is color, and this indicates two brackets is two-dimensional array is binary, gray, black and white. So where does it leave me? Where does this leave me? Do I still have the same error? That is a very big question. What do I have here? I think this is giving me the same problem. Exactly the same problem. But let's remove these, because I trust the normal images. Remove. Here. Remove. Put the rubber back in place. Run. Aborted. Why does it abort? I really can't put my finger on it right now. Now it works. Alright, well, you see what happens right here now. I don't mind. Image. A searching failed. This is strange. It didn't do that last time. Which also means, by the way, that I have, yeah, it says 0 now. So I need to remove things. I don't even have to look at it. Yeah, aborted. Oops, there's nothing there, so I need just to start the script. That's one. Copying color. Then copying a gray image. And once again and abort. I have now, if it is alright, I did not get that the message. Oh yeah, I did. Premature end of JPEG file. I did, unfortunately. And I could not find online a real reason why that would be. So these will be empty. Yep, empty. And this one, let's take this one, is the same familiar one. So still there is something wrong, but what? Very good question. And I see in time that I'm almost running out of time, or have run out of time even. Anyway, that will be then the last part. last part for today, for this episode at least. I have added an extra print line, read image, to make sure where the error exists. So this is the new start with another abortion. Then this is the image being read, taken from the camera. Then TXT image being transferred. Then we are here at this place. So it says read image, which is perfectly fine. Image is being shown, 3D. And then the grey image is being shown and being dealt with. So where does it go wrong? Because now I do not see the error. And yet this number, this file size, suggests that it cannot be shown. So for the very last time, I am not looking into these. I am not looking into these. For the very last time, running it, hopefully, twice. Because it will abort probably. Yep. Oh, come on! This is not what I like. This is not what I want. What is this? Oh, well, no, there's nothing loose, so alright, let's just go on. I thought maybe one of these connectors was gone, but it's still there. Yeah. Do me this favor. Yes, please. Premature end. Alright, I end this. Where is it, the premature end? It is after read image, read image. In between this one and this one. So actually it tells me that the original file name, the original file that is being written and being like this one, has a premature end. Well, that cannot be, because this is the file that is being written here, which is correct here. I can, well, here, okay, this one is being correct, and yet it says no, it's not being correct because the image has a premature end. Anyway, I have come somewhat closer to my objective. And found that I had to change my code into byte array here, and this is the way you actually debug and find where it goes wrong, where it shouldn't go wrong anyway, because this is a perfect example. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want. Follow me on Twitter, retweet and like. Follow me on Instagram and like. Please donate to keep videos coming your way. More information on my website and at the start of this video, and this is going to be continued. No floor test, but so be it. Bye bye.